am like so full right now. I just finished eating dinner like an hour ago. Oh my god. Whew. Yeah, I'm tired. Oh, there you go. And I'm full. And I'm sleepy. And I still need to get my stuff together for work tomorrow. As well as get some things together for a video I want to film tomorrow. And also I need to get stuff together for a Black History Month post I need to do tomorrow so I can have it up by Friday. So yeah, I need to get that done like today. So tomorrow all I have to do is just execute everything, and I don't have to worry about like trying to get everything together. It'll already be laid out and I can just do what I need to do. But I'm tired. Like, I'm really trying to fight through me being tired, but sometimes it's really, really hard. That's why sometimes you guys don't get videos for like a week or two at a time, because I either don't have the time, I'm tired. Oh my god, see? Like the second time I've yawned, and it's only been a minute, like a little over a minute I've been filming. But yeah, what was I saying? Damn. Oh yeah, no, I still don't remember what I was saying. I don't know. Crap. Oh, just getting everything together for tomorrow, for when I want to film and all that stuff. So yeah, it's like 9 o'clock and I need to get that together like right now. So I need to go to bed by, need to be in the bed at least by 11 o'clock is ideal. But no, but I'm just tired, y'all. Oh man. Good morning, everyone. So I'm actually like kind of on time today, and I got like a lot of rest last night, so I'm just really energized this morning. But really quick, I want to kind of clear something up, especially for people who are on my personal Facebook. Okay, so last night I sent a picture to my group chat, which includes, one of my group chats includes my parents. So I always send them like little, you know, belly pics and just like different stuff about my pregnancy or whatever like that. So last night I sent a picture of my baby bump, and my dad posted it on Facebook. Cool. But his status, I'm gonna put the picture up here so you guys can see it. His status was captioned on the picture. It made it sound like I'm having a boy, but I'm not. I don't know what I'm having yet, because I won't find out until March 13th. So I have actually 3 more weeks roughly until I find out. So I just wanted to clear it up. I don't know what I'm having, but he wants me to have a boy, because if I have a boy, whatever we decide to name my son, we're gonna have, oh, that's so weird to say, my son. We're gonna have I'm gonna have his middle name be his first name. So yeah, that's why he said that. So I just wanted to clear that up. So he's just really excited about me having a boy. So yeah, I don't know what I'm having yet, guys. So when I find out, I will definitely make a special video for you guys. So y'all, I am like hella annoyed right now. All right, so if you watch my my 2018 YouTube goals, I briefly mentioned in there that I was working on like my finances and just getting out of debt and all that stuff like that. So in efforts for me to get better hold of my finances, to be able to save more money, I wanted to lower some of my bills. That was like my first plan of action. So whether that was switching phone companies, insurance companies, or whatever I had to do, that was my first step, is to try to lower my bills. So in efforts to do that, I have been looking into getting a different insurance company, because the one I have now, I pay $188 for full coverage or whatever. So I was looking for something that was cheaper than that. So I was online and I went to a popular insurance company and on their website, and so I was doing like, you know, roughly trying to get an idea of how much it would be to get a quote. And so they quoted me about $40-50 cheaper than that. Not too much, but you know what, enough to save that extra $40-50 a month to go towards something else. So I went to the local office here, and she tells me that, oh well, the lowest I can get it is $280. And I'm like, excuse me? Like, what? Because I got a speeding ticket last year, like in April, and I actually was going fast enough to where I was fined a super speeder fee. So I had to pay that super speeder fee by December 12th, and I didn't actually pay it until like the 24th. So I was like a little over a week or almost 2 weeks late. So because of that, my license ended up getting suspended, but for like about the 2-week period. So that jacked my insurance up. And she said, even though like it was only for like literally like 2 weeks, if that it's gonna stay on my record for 10 years. And I was like, oh my gosh. So that just really like just effed everything up. So at this point, it's like I might as well stay where I'm at, but my insurance is getting renewed next month, so I don't even know how much it's gonna be, because I'm thinking that it might be just about as much as they quoted me. And I'm like, I just cannot see myself paying $280. Like, that just breaks my heart to know that I'm going to have to shell out that. That's more than my damn car note, y'all. Like, I freaking cannot do it. I'm like, I'm like, this made me not even want a car. I'm like, I don't want to pay no $280 for no insurance. Damn, that's too much. Too much. I'm like, this is a Nissan, honey. This is not a BMW or something like that. I'm like, what? Oh, Lord have mercy. I'm just so over it right now. I'm too over it. I guess I just have to wait and see what happens in March. But I think I'm just going to call them tonight and just ask them, can they tell me how much it's going to be? So if it is more than what I was quoted at the other insurance company, then I might as well roll with them. At least, I guess. I don't know. I don't even know. I don't even know. But it just pisses me off to think that I'm going to have to pay that much. Pay more than my damn car note, y'all. More than my car note for the insurance. Like, how? How, Sway? Lord. Like, that can't... It just cannot happen. It cannot happen like that. Damn, man. It really, like, annoys the shit out of me. Like, I'm super annoyed right now. You know? Whatever.